Let's catch up. Move. We're going to catch up on that line that's 22. Hey, you don't have to hit him with that.
Okay. Come with me. 10 for this. The veterans at the War Memorial. Their red tent has bottles of water. Someone take my flag. Someone take my flag. Take my flag. Take my flag. Someone.
Chemical weapons used against them. So here's a woman with pepper spray on the face. You know how it is, guys. Chemical weapons on their own people, and you know if I check out the RF meter, we're also getting fried. Let's check that right now.
Things have escalated with the police, and the Quebec police have escalated. Don't touch her. Get off the car. Get off the car. Get off the car. You guys, bad people. I know.
They come against us with spears, swords, but we come against them in the name of Jesus.
So the cops, not the Quebec police, but the other police just came in and smashed the windows of the truck. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We won't give them what they want. We won't fight with them. We won't give them what they want. So now they're pushing us back. But we're all gonna remain calm. We're all gonna remain cool. And are you Antifa? You look like it.
No, I'm not. I've been at Queen's Park every weekend for 2 years. My name is George.
Okay. Oh, George.
Don't you think this is appropriate for what's happening?
No, that looks like Antifa. I think some people call you Antifa, George, actually.
I'm not.
Yeah, okay. Keep telling yourself that.
Are you insecure much? I'm here holding the line.
Medic!
Okay.
Let's go!
Okay.
Medic! Move it!
Okay. Okay, so now the police are coming in because they want these trucks. The police want these trucks. They maced a guy, but we don't know why he maced him. We don't know what happened. Hi.
I love you.
Oh, thank you. I love you too. I love you too.
There's an old man laying down.
Yeah, I heard. I think you got maced or something. So guys, they got aggressive now. You guys should uphold your oath to protect the people. All of you. What you're doing is criminal. The Emergencies Act says they have to respect our rights under the Canadian Bill of Rights. You're all committing a crime. All of you are no longer acting in good faith. All of you. All of you. Yeah, you can look me dead in the eye. I'm looking at you too. You will be judged for this, not me. You will all be judged for what you're doing.
I love you. I don't even know you.
Yep.
You too, I don't know you.
Yep.
You both deserve freedom.
Yep. I still love all of you. You're still my brothers and sisters, even though you're doing us wrong. Even though you're all doing wrong, I still love all of you. The guy was knocked down and they have to carry him out. We're not sure what happened.
Do you want to sit here and hunt me today?
So I'm not really sure what is going on right now. They're breaking the windows to the trucks. Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights. You guys are breaking the law. Not TV. Hi. Hi, Not TV. How are you? Good, good.
Feeling right now in your heart?
Well, I still, you know what? Listen, they're doing the job, and I think it's shitty. The breaking the windows was not necessary, but listen, they're getting their orders, and this is their job. They signed up for this. As much as I wish they would stand down, they're doing what they got to do because they're police officers. I can't get mad at them for when they're
And I'm
taking
not
their
fucking
orders.
Antifa. Shame on you. I love you. Stop that. No, seriously. You can't just walk around calling people Antifa.
Why do you think?
Like, I was on my couch. I took a $50 cab to get here. I put this on just in case I got hurt. I'm 52 years old.
Oh, yeah.
Seriously.
We're all good. We're all good. Huh?
Are you Laura Lynn?
That's the biggest insult in the world.
Laura Lynn.
Laura Lynn, no. So anyway, they're going around and breaking all the windows now, which is really unfortunate. We knew that it was going to happen, but you know, we were foolishly believing that we were holding them back, but you could see they were actually planning when we were standing there. So there's a bunch of people yelling shame, but let's go see what's going on. Yeah, you guys should be ashamed of yourselves. You guys are breaking the law. You guys are breaking the law. You guys should be upholding the law and protecting the citizens. What they're going to do is going to affect you guys too and all of your children. It's going to affect all of you. Oh, I'll be going, don't worry. But all of you are going to be impacted by this. This isn't about this peaceful protest, which is lawful, by the way. It's about the long-term effects, what they're going to do when they implement that system that they want to implement called the New World Order, Agenda 2030. It's on the government website. It's not a secret. And your paychecks are coming too. Your jobs are coming too. Your pensions will be next. You're all on the same page we are. You're all on the chopping block just like we are. So don't think you're special, guys. You have an opportunity to do the right thing. Oh, Toronto police. You guys have an opportunity to do the right thing right now. And instead, you're choosing to side with a man who's created treason against his own country. There's no emergency here. There's no criteria for an emergency. We shouldn't be doing any of this.
Can they leave peacefully?
That way, yeah.
Yeah, everyone can leave.
I mean,
if anyone's leaving, they gotta leave that way.
You mean can they leave?
Maybe he's gonna go. He's gonna leave.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Yeah, all right. We just gotta get people out of the way first.
Yeah.
So
Why? It's a peaceful protest. It's a lawful protest. We're not breaking the law by being here. We have every right to protest, and you guys know that. And even if the emergency order was invoked, which it wasn't, it was declared, we're still protected under the Canadian Bill of Rights. Oh, phone just died.
Okay, guys, Danny has to go do a press conference quickly. We will back. No.
Get back up, okay? Back up. I don't want her getting away.
Hold that line! Hold that line! Hold that line!
watch your pole. Put your pole in.
What happens if we both get arrested?
Hold the line! Hold the line! Hold the line! Hold the line! Freedom!
I want you to back up, okay? Can you please? I just don't want you to get squished. All right?
I am fine.
Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm.
Do the right thing.
Come on, guys.
Do the right thing.
You can't feel good about this. You can't. You know that this isn't right. You know it.
All they wanted was a talk with the Prime Minister. That's all they wanted.
Just want our freedom back. You just want to be left alone.
Negotiation is the first thing that needs to happen.
The Prime Minister is hiding while you guys are doing this.
They're pushing us, guys. They're pushing on us.
We just want to talk. Where's the Prime
Where's the
Minister? We just want to talk.
He took a knee with BLM.
There was none of this against them either.
No.
I feel sorry for you. I I feel sorry for you. You okay? You good?
I'm not leaving my wife here. I'm not leaving you here. I'm not leaving my wife. Stay calm! Stay calm! Stay calm! Stay calm!
Guys,
Stay calm.
all it took was for the Prime Minister to come here.
Guys,
He's hiding.
Guys,
and
you don't have
guys
to
are
do
doing
this.
work for him.
You
The Prime
don't
Minister
have
is
to
hiding
do
from
this.
us.
You don't have to do this. You can say no.
None of us want to be here.
You can say no.
And
We were back. You
scared
pushed
of
your
you guys.
way.
You can say no.
You can
It's not
say
right.
no. Remember your oath.
It's not right.
Remember your oath. Think about your children. Think about your children. Is this the Canada you want them to grow up? You want a police state?
They're hiding them because they're scared. Because they need to hide.
Justin Trudeau is hiding.
Know what they're doing.
He's too prideful to come out and meet with us.
I can see the
This is what he wanted all along.
don't have to do this.
This is what
XRCMP.
the Prime Minister wanted.
He did the right thing. Maybe you could do the right thing too.
It's not too late.
We haven't done anything. We've been peaceful. Peaceful.
Everyone stay calm.
Nobody wanted this
Nothing.
except the Prime Minister. That's who wanted this.
You guys can say
Our
no.
leader, calling us all racist, misogynist.
I mean, how much discipline could you face for saying that?
Just stay
If you
calm.
all said no together,
You don't have
guys.
to speak out publicly. You don't have to do anything. Just stop and say, no, I'm not doing this. You all have that option. You all have it. The world is watching all of us right now.
White supremacists.
No need to be that aggressive, guys.
He's making sure the veterans are being able to walk. He has a cane. He has a cane.
Why the fuck you punching me? Where to go? It's our country. Come on,
Oh!
We're gonna trample the veterans.
Move back.
He's just standing there.
You are trampling our veterans.
They just took your brother.
Please don't push him into the veterans. Please.
Look at him. He's stomping on the veteran. He's stomping on him. Where?
Move back. Please let these people move back. Please let the veterans move back.
We're trying.
Come on, guys. Stop pushing.
Stomping on a veteran. Go, guys, go. The veteran, we don't want him to get tramped. Go forward. Please. Veterans. We got it? We got it? He has a cane. We are walking.
If you move back.
We are moving. We're trying. That is what we are doing. I'm fine.
No sense. No fucking.
No respect. Is that the problem?
Keep moving.
You're
Move back.
Was his father? He doesn't do that. No. No fucking.
shameful.
Guys, keep going, please. Guys, please go, please. They're gonna start pushing.
I speak Tagalog.
Shame on you all. Shame on you all. Shame on you all. Hope your counseling services come with those paychecks.
Shame on you. Shame.
The rest of the cop. They're just
Walk forward and then grab them.
Just arrested one of them.
guys make me sick.
Be ashamed.
This is what you signed up for? Is this what you signed up for? Huh? Is this what you signed up for?
Oh, to protect the people of this country.
Pathetic.
We're not terrorists.
Each and every one of you.
Violence. Shame.
True North, strong and free. Did you guys forget about that? Huh?